Hello everyone. Today on the online module on the behalf of Raval Public School, we will discuss the topic soil. Soil as the natural resource. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the concept of what is soil, how is soil formed, composition of soil, factors responsible for the formation of soil profile, causes of degradation, measures and conservation. First of all, the question is what is soil? Soils means uppermost layer of the earth crust which contains the organic as well as mineral matter necessary for the growth of plant. The condition of climate, topography, vegetation and underlying rocks can alter the characteristics of soil. How soil is formed? The soil is formed by the weathering or the disintegration of the parent rocks by the physical, chemical and agent. This physical and chemical decomposition is primarily done by the wind, water and climate. As a result of these processes, large rock pieces are converted into smaller pieces and eventually to the soil. Composition of soil. The basic components of the soil are mineral, organic matter, water and air. The typical soil consists of approximately 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 20 to 30% water and 20 to 30% air. The percentages are only generalization at the best. Uses of soil in our life. Agriculture. Soil has a vital nutrient for plants. Building. Soil is an important part of the building process. Pottery. Clay soil is used to making ceramics or the potteries. Medicine. Soil is commonly used in the antibiotics. Beauty products. Some beauty products are made with the soil. Factors of the soil formation. There are so many factors responsible for the formation of soil. First is climatic condition like temperature, seasonal, rainfall decide the effectiveness of the weathering of rocks and humus formation. Parent rocks material. The original rock from which the soil is formed is called the parent rock. It determines the color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability of soil. Relief feature, altitude, nature of slope decide the rate of weathering and drainage of water. Humus, it is the dead remain of plant and animal provide organic matter to the soil and make it fertile. Time period, it is also a very big factor in the soil formation. The layer of older soils found deeper than the newly one. The soil of any place take a longer duration to develop the distinct soil profile. Hence, the time determines the thickness of soil profile. Soil profile. Soil develops into horizontal layers. If we cut the vertical into the earth, the layer become visible. A soil profile is simple taken from the surface down through the soil. The horizontal layer of the soils are called soil profile. At the top level, there is a topsoil with the humus. Topsoil contain a very rich humus which is very essential for the cultivation of plants. Subsoil, the horizon B. Subsoil is found below the topsoil which is made up of salt, silt, sand, etc. Rainwater seeps into the surface of water and collect in this layer too. Horizon C, weathered rock material. This layer is between the subsoil and the parent rock. Horizon D is the parent rock. This is the last layer of the profile and it is solid layer of under-weathered rock. And here is an amazing fact. It takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. Degradation of soil. Soil erosion and depletion are the major threat to the soil as a resource. Both human and the natural factors can lead to the degradation of soil. Factors which led to the soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemicals, fertilizer or pesticides, rainwash, landslides and flood. Now the question arises, How we conserve the soil? There are number of methods to conserve the soil erosion. Conservation and measures. First is mulching. The bare ground between the plant is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain the soil moisture. Counter barrier, stone, grasses, soil are used to build a barrier along the counter. Trenches are made in front of the barrier to collect the water. Rock dams. Rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents the gullies and further soil loss. Terrace farming. These are made on the steep slopes so that the flat surfaces are available to grow the crop. They can reduce the surface runoff and soil erosion. Intercropping, another method. Different crops are grown in the alternate rows, and rows are sown at different times to protect the soil from the rain wash. Counter plugging parallel to the counter of hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. Shelter belts. The coastal and dry region, row of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect the soil cover. Thank you, and I hope you will be understand the concept of soil, soil profile, formation of soil, and conservation of the soil.